Hey, welcome back to Ride Break Repeat. Those who are just clicking on it for the first time, kind of do different kind of videos, no edits, just it is what it is. Basically anything fun with the motor, camping, riding, just cool little stuff. And here's a cool little unit that got for Christmas yesterday, just a neat little gift that I thought I'd do a video on, and I'll put the link in the description below. But it's a portable power washer that I used it once yesterday after I charged the battery just to make sure everything was good and it wasn't screwed up. But I thought it was pretty neat, so I figured it'd be worth you all to see it too. Portable power washer. It's a 42 volt battery. That, if it really is 42 volts, I don't know. I guess we'll find out here in a little bit, but I'll show you what all it comes with and the true output voltage of it and it being used. So if you enjoy this video, by the end of it, hit the like and subscribe button. It would help me out and definitely bring you all good videos. So here we go. It's a neat little carrying case, just a plastic, nothing, just a plastic carrying case. It's hose that you would toss down in a 5-gallon bucket or a little bowl full of water, and pretty lengthy hose with a quick connect fitting to the power washer. It's really cool. It's very well thought of for no more than it is. And open the box. Here's the paperwork to it. About it and whatnot, how to hook it up. Pretty cool. Oh no, I'm sorry, I apologize. It's a 48 volt and we'll see what the true output voltage is. To me it don't look any different than a DeWalt battery or anything else, but it worked pretty well for me yesterday. And a little soap bottle to hook past it. The foam gun comes with 2 nozzles. Pretty neat. And I haven't figured out this one. I bet it's a hose fitting. I haven't figured this one out. I haven't had to use it, so I hadn't figured it out. And that's all the bigger it is. It's really no bigger than a regular drill. It's pretty cool. But it worked good for me yesterday. Like if you go to a car show and want to bring it with you, and if you happen to have some water bottles and a little bowl, stick the filter down in the bowl and you can quickly power wash your vehicle while you're at the car show to get ready, or preference done riding a 4-wheeler or whatnot and want to somewhat clean it before you get home. It's pretty cool. And this is aluminum and brass, but all you do, screw it on, that, and then whatever nozzle you want. I thought this is pretty neat. It's not too big, it doesn't take too much space up at all. And then your battery. I'm not going to run it too long without no water, but it's pretty cool, I thought. So let me get my multimeter and then we'll see what the actual voltage is. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Had the multimeter and whatnot. This little power washer, you can get it off of Amazon. I think it's like $70 or whatnot. But I don't usually buy a whole lot of stuff off of Amazon just because the quality of it. Some of it's decent, some of it's not. But I got this as a gift and I thought it was pretty dang cool. And it actually works pretty well. I mean, it's not going to get heavy mud off of it, but light dust and very small amounts of mud, no big globs of it, but it works really well. I think it's really cool. So let's see what actual voltage it really truthfully is. Hopefully you all can see it, but here we go. See what it says, see if it's true to its word. 20.36. Yeah, I didn't think it was a 48 volt battery. Do it again. Double check. 20.36. Yeah. No, it's no different than a DeWalt battery, I don't think. It does work really well, but kind of misguided on the 48 volt. It does work pretty good, but it'd be neat if someone could actually 3D print a mount from the DeWalt battery that would fit to the drill. That would go from this to this. That'd be cool, because then you could run multiple batteries and never have a problem. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. So let me go fill some water up, and then we'll see how it does. Let you all see it, see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna pull the truck in and get a spot that has some pretty decent mud on it, nothing huge, and see how it does. That spot of rust on the bed is just because of fender flares from when I bought the truck, and I took it off because of that. But that's the only rust on the vehicle. But let me get all the stuff over here, and then I'll hook it up, show you all how to hook it up and use it. Okay, here's how hook it up. It's pretty self-explanatory, but figured I'd show you all. I don't do any editing whatsoever. I don't make a video any fancier than it is. I try and be different, but here we go. Just the battery. You all have hooked a battery up before, so pretty easy. And a quick connect fitting. That. All you do is toss the filter in the water. Just like that. Okay, here we go. I'll zoom in on the spot so you all can see. Let's see how it does. Works really good. Has pretty good output. Let's do another spot so you all can see. I think it's worth it. Let's move to another spot. Let's do the fender well. Like I said, this would be great to take to car shows to wash it really quickly as you're there before the show starts. Thing works really well, but that's basically all there is to it. I will put the link in the description for those of you who want to purchase it. By no means am I reviewing this or do they sponsor me at all. I'm doing my personal review on it, but they're not paying me for this. I just thought I would put a cool little product up that's pretty cheap. It's easy to pack away, don't take up a lot of space whatsoever. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button. It would help me out. and I'm trying to do something different than everyone else. Not a lot of edits, actually, none at all. I don't do editing. There's no reason to make a video any better than it is than to lie behind camera. But have a blessed week. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and have a great New Year. Thanks for watching.